Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Heidi Lindungka. I am 38 years old from Isabela, Philippines. I am married, a mother of two. My eldest son is 18 years old and my youngest son is 16 years old, and they are all studying. I am a kind-hearted person and responsible. My working experience are I was in Abu Dhabi in 2013 until 2015, and I'm serving 5 members of the family. They have three sons. The eldest is 10 years old, the second son is 7, and the youngest is 3 years old. I am doing also the household chores, ironing, washing, cooking, cleaning, and also if we have time, we play with the kids and I sing along with them like baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. And after that, and in the evening after the the youngest son is going to bed, I read a book until he fell asleep. And I was also in Jordan in 2016 until 2018, and I'm serving one member of the family. He is 74 years old, and I'm doing also the household chores. In the morning, we walk together with the elder and with the dog for exercise. I also preparing the medicine for him in time and also his diets. And I was also in Hong Kong in 2023, but I stayed just only 5 months for some reasons. My father died at the time, and then after that, I decided to stay with my mother so I can accompany her because I know it really felt sad to lose someone, especially my father. And then now, mom, if you hire me, I promise that I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities to serve your family. Thank you and God bless.